The theme is I, in the senses, it's not just I perceive everything else, but I also perceive myself in them, and then myself is a riddle. It's not what I think about myself. And for this we use musical elements, where the self-perception is the element of. And we were practicing 2 times the way out. And today we must look for, but how do we come back? It's so beautiful out there, and it's sometimes so hard here. So why not staying out there? Huh? That was a little bit the trial of this part now. And just arrive at yourself, but to prepare the musical mood, just try to perceive your shoulder girdle, the clavicles, the shoulder blades, the muscle up here, as if it would be the roof of your house. And then allow yourself to feel, to sense, to think. The roof is carrying the house. Oh yes, it's possible to feel it. And keep this alive a little bit when the left foot makes a step forward and the right foot makes a little step to the right. And then sense the joy in the feet, the hips and the clavicles. And then just let it flow into the lower arms, that they become light. Feel how the upper arms say, yes, we are going to support you, come on. The lower arms say, thank you, that's beautiful. The hands say, yes, we can sail. The fingers open up, oh, it's so beautiful out there. The fingertips say, there's more, there's more, there's more. And then you have to feel, yes, there. I can arrive, I'm welcome. And then let this come over you. Let it sink down while you bring your right leg in again. And you just receive this. That you have arrived there where you were striving at. Actually, it did not come here, but you are there. And you can feel it. Breathe one more time. We do make a step forward, just as a symbol, yes. That's major mood. We go forward. And then we start anew. Left foot, right foot, joy in the hips, in the clavicles. Let this joy flow into the lower arms. Come back into the upper arms. Be born in the lower arms. The hands, the fingers become wide, the fingertips, there's more, there's more, there's more. Yeah, it's there, there. Arrive. Wow. I'm welcome. Bring your right foot in. And just let go and feel, how is it to stand there? And breathe. Just make a step back, that you have enough space to continue. And now that's the archetypal movement of nature. Now it's just streaming out, but in a sort of back and forth. And now we do a sequence which goes there, but we bring themes into this way out. And do again left step forward, just to indicate we are on the way towards ourselves. There. And then now we go along the arms how they are. From the clavicles, we go through the lower arms, we go through the upper arms, we go through the lower arms. We arrive in the wrists and they say stop, and just feel the stop of the wrist. A very gentle stop, lovingly, understandingly. And use it to feel yourself. And the wrists tell you stop. You have got everything in your own garden. Just go into your garden and notice everything is there. Yeah, go to the fence of your garden, but don't go further, and then come in. Arrive at your house. Just move through the beautiful beads of your garden. And use the lower arm to sense what is there, and the body feels what your lower arms feel. They tell him. Great. And then now you have seen what you've got. Use your hands. Yes, I have got everything, but it wants to be connected with what's out there. And turn your hands. Make them flat, like a key, yeah? Which can turn a lock, open a lock. And then return to your garden. Yes, you are there. And slowly go out a little bit more. And you go further, you come in and you go out, but you don't lose this mood anymore. And then you are have reached far out, and then you just open up, and the fingertips just distribute very gently, like creating a moisture of beautiful scent. The scents of your garden become sprayed out in the cosmos around you. But feel it's still your garden, but out there. And then just let go, but feel that your garden has spread out, but still kept its identity. And breathe. How do your feet feel now? How do you stand? And breathe. And how do we come back from there? What do we bring back? So the coming back is the question now. And to start this, to announce what we are intending, we do the archetype step of the minor quality, and that's that you do with the right foot a little step or normal step backwards. That's the preparation. And then you just pull your left leg towards the right leg. And the intention is, I want arrive. I arrive at myself. At this myself. And breathe. Let's do it one more time, that we have really created this mood. Right step backwards. And then just pull the left leg along a little bit, a little bit, a little bit. Yes, I arrive here. I feel myself. I arrive. Then just keep this mood in mind when you now go out to this scent around you, which is the scent of your garden. You can smell it. It's related to me. And now how do you bring it in? Then use your upper arms to pull a little bit. Please come. And then the hand just show that they really want to have it. They want to pluck it. And then bring it down a little bit. Please come, yes. And the hand show we really need you. And the upper arms bring a little bit more in. And the hands just show, yes, please come. The upper arms bring a little bit more energy, still pulling, you're creating moisture out of the fine dust. Maybe snow, maybe clouds, maybe mist. And then again, use your hands to really to turn the situation, come in. But then turn them and open up again. But you are not in prison. You can always go there if you want to. And then turn the hands in again towards yourself, towards the earth. Look, you are needed so much. But we know you are cosmic. You know more than us. You have been there. And use your hands. Yes, please. Look, it's beautiful also here. And open up again to the lights with the hand. Yes, it's dark, but it's deep calm. And then, when you have felt this, go back to your lower arms. And now you have become visited. Your garden has come back. And now use your lower arms to feel. Try to feel, what does my garden feel like now? Open up a little bit. Use your heart to listen. And let your lower arms tell your body, feel your body what they feel. He wants to know. He needs to know. Yes, that's my garden. And something is different now. And then just, without losing what you have done, arrive at yourself. Breathe. And let go. Just sense, how are you standing now? How do you perceive your body now? And we have done this pass throughout and in one time, and we will repeat it next time, so don't worry. But we tried something, and you just try to follow a story. And maybe the story has understood. Just sit down and listen. What does what you did do in you now? What kind of presence do you notice? What kind of inner listening is present? Who is listening to whom? Are only you looking and listening? Or maybe is even the body looking around and trying to catch some impressions? And then you ask yourself, what is a soul? What is my soul? And you listen into yourself. Is it possible to think, okay, this sensation, this impression, maybe this is a sensation of my soul I have? What's the impression of time? How does time live in the totality of what you perceive?